He carries your name in his heart like a sacred burden. Angels whisper that his soul chose yours before either of you took your first breath. Something deeper than choice pulls him toward you. Something ancient. Something written in stardust and divine ink. You entered his life when he least expected grace. His world was filled with noise. Superficial connections. Hollow achievements. Then you appeared like dawn breaking over desolate lands. He saw a light he had forgotten existed. Your presence uncovered chambers in his heart that he had sealed shut. This isn't coincidence. Heaven orchestrated your meeting. You're his spiritual assignment. His healing. His awakening. The angels say he recognizes this truth even when his mind resists. Your very existence challenges everything he thought love could be. He fights this awareness, builds walls, creates distance. But souls can't deceive one another. In quiet moments, when his defenses drop, he feels the pull toward you like gravity itself. This terrifies him and excites him. You embody everything he's afraid to desire, yet can't stop craving. The angels reveal, his resistance isn't rejection. It's preparation. Some hearts need to be broken open before they can truly receive the depth of love. His past has carved wounds that still bleed in the darkness. Angels show me scars from childhood abandonment. From loves that turned to ash. From promises shattered like glass in his hands. He learned early that opening up meant hurting. That trusting meant losing. You terrify him because you're different. Real. He can't manipulate or control what you make him feel. Your authenticity strips away his armor. Forces him to confront the frightened boy hiding behind his carefully constructed walls. When he pulls away, it's not about you. It's about the voices in his head screaming warnings. His nervous system still believes that love equals danger and that vulnerability means destruction. These aren't conscious choices. They're survival mechanisms running on autopilot. The angels whisper that his emotional barriers are dissolving. Slowly. Painfully. Like ice melting under the spring sun. Each interaction with you chips away at his defenses. Your patient presence teaches his traumatized heart that safe love exists, and that he won't be abandoned for showing his true self. His healing can't be rushed. Trust develops in its own sacred timing. But know this, every wall he's built is beginning to crack. Your love is the earthquake that will eventually bring them all tumbling down. Your light burns bright, beautiful soul. But the angels warn against dimming yourself for anyone's comfort, even his. Especially his. Love doesn't require you to shrink, to silence your truth, or to wait endlessly while someone decides if you're worth choosing. He's on his healing journey, and you're on yours. These paths can dance together without losing their separate rhythms. Your wholeness doesn't depend on his awakening, and your worth isn't measured by his ability to see it clearly. Guard your energy like the precious resource it is. Pour into your own dreams. Nurture your own growth. Love yourself with the same fierce tenderness you offer him. This isn't selfish, it's necessary. You can't give from an empty well. The angels remind you, healthy love multiplies both people. It doesn't diminish one to elevate another. If you find yourself becoming smaller, quieter, or less yourself, step back. Breathe. Remember who you were before he arrived. Your radiance attracted him initially. Don't let his struggles dim what drew him near. Stay luminous. Stay whole. Stay true to the magnificent woman you are. Real love will celebrate your brightness, not fear it. Trust that truth above all else. You became his mirror without even trying. Your presence reflects everything he has avoided seeing in himself. Every buried dream. Every suppressed emotion. Every authentic part he has hidden beneath layers of protection and pretense. This terrifies him. You don't judge what you see. You don't try to fix or change him. You simply exist in your truth, and that illuminates his shadows. It shows him where he has been lying to himself and where he has settled for less than his soul craves. Angels reveal that your light forces his darkness into visibility. Not to shame him, but to heal him. Mirrors don't create flaws. They expose what already exists. You're showing him parts of himself that need love, not condemnation. He sees in you the woman he wants to become worthy of. He sees possibilities he had given up on. He sees a future that could be beautiful if he found the courage to claim it. This awakening is both a gift and a torment for his guarded heart. Your reflection triggers his deepest work. Some days he'll run from what you show him. Other days he'll move closer, hungry for the truth only you reveal. Be patient with this dance. Mirrors perform their magic slowly, one honest glimpse at a time. Something is shifting inside him. Angels whisper of cracks appearing in his carefully constructed facade. Small signs emerge like spring flowers pushing through winter ground. He asks different questions now. He seeks deeper conversations. He looks at you with new recognition. His awakening isn't dramatic thunder. It's gentle rain after a drought. Quiet moments where he catches himself thinking about your happiness before his own. Times when your laugh reaches places in his chest he had forgotten existed. Seconds when he imagines futures he had never dared to dream. You'll notice changes. How he listens more carefully to your words. How his eyes linger on your face as if he's memorizing something sacred. How his voice softens when he says your name. These aren't accidents. They're signs of a heart learning how to feel again. The old version of him is fading. The man who thrived on fleeting pleasures and shallow connections can't endure in your presence. Your authenticity is dismantling his facade. Your depth is swallowing his superficiality. This transformation isn't punishment, it's liberation. Angels say his soul is reaching out to yours like a plant stretching toward sunlight. Some growth occurs in darkness. But ultimately, every seed must break through the soil to bask in the light. His breakthrough is on the horizon. He moves toward you, then pulls away. Closer, then distant. Angels say this isn't confusion, it's a sacred rhythm. Like ocean waves that must retreat before they can surge forward again. His heart knows what it wants. His fear battles against that truth. This push and pull isn't personal rejection. It's an internal struggle between his deepest desires and oldest wounds. Part of him reaches for you like a drowning man grasping for the shore. Another part retreats, convinced that salvation is just another cruel trick. When he withdraws, don't chase him. Don't try to convince him. Don't diminish yourself to make his approach easier. His retreat serves a purpose. It gives him space to process what your presence stirs within him. To grapple with angels and demons in his own private wilderness. The angels reveal, each cycle brings him closer to surrender. Every time he pulls away, he carries more of you with him. Each return finds him more willing to stay. This isn't just an endless dance, it's a spiral staircase. Each level looks familiar, but stands higher than the last. Trust the pattern. Trust the process. Trust that love this genuine doesn't vanish. It simply gathers strength for its next appearance. His resistance is waning. Your patience is working miracles he doesn't yet comprehend. Your love works like medicine on wounds he's carried for lifetimes. Silent healing happens in the spaces between words. In moments when you choose understanding over judgment. When you see his worth while he's still learning to recognize it himself. Angels, show me how your energy enters his system. It softens hardened places. It dissolves old stories about unworthiness. Your presence doesn't fix him. It reminds his soul what wholeness feels like. What safety tastes like. What home sounds like in another person's voice. He doesn't consciously understand this healing. He can't explain why your laugh loosens knots in his chest. Why your touch quiets storms in his mind. Why being near you feels like waking up after years of sleepwalking through existence. This medicine doesn't work quickly. Souls heal in their own mysterious timing. But every moment in your presence plants seeds of possibility. Every kindness you show plants hope in ground that has only known drought. Every patient response teaches his heart new rhythms of trust. The angels whisper, love's greatest miracle isn't changing people. It's revealing who they've always been beneath their fear. Your love isn't transforming him. It's uncovering the magnificent man who was buried under years of protection and pain. Heaven orchestrates timing beyond human understanding. Angels reveal that every delay serves a divine purpose. Every seeming setback prepares the ground for deeper planting. What looks like separation is actually sacred preparation for permanent union. God sees the bigger picture while you see only fragments. Trust that unseen hands guide this love story toward its destined conclusion. Your souls signed contracts before birth, made promises in languages older than the earth. This connection transcends human choice or circumstance. When doubt creeps in, remember, divine love doesn't follow earthly timelines. It moves according to eternal rhythms. Seasons of waiting prepare hearts for seasons of harvest. Your patience isn't punishment, it's preparation for blessings too beautiful for unprepared vessels. The angels sing of perfect timing drawing near. They see threads weaving together in patterns you can't yet perceive. His healing accelerates. Your faith deepens. The universe aligns circumstances for your eventual union. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, to give you hope and a future. Trust these ancient words. Your love story was written in heaven before it began to unfold on earth. He stands at the edge of surrender. Angels whisper that his heart aches with words he's afraid to speak, with truths too tender for his guarded existence. He wants to tell you everything. He wants to lay down his defenses and offer you his unshielded soul. But vulnerability feels like death to someone who has survived by remaining strong. Opening up means risking everything he's worked so hard to protect. Showing you his vulnerable spots where past loves left their scars. Where rejection has left marks that still ache in the darkness. He practices conversations he'll never have. Rehearses confessions that die on his tongue. Writes letters he'll never send. His love for you grows larger than his ability to hold it in. Soon it will overflow despite his careful restraint. The angels see his internal struggle. How he reaches for courage like a drowning man grasps for a rope. How he fights against the very vulnerability that could save him. His fear battles his longing in epic struggles fought in silence. The Lord is near to the brokenhearted and saves the crushed in spirit. His breaking isn't destruction, it's rebirth. The man capable of loving you completely is emerging from the ashes of who he once was. Trust this sacred breaking. Release your grip on outcomes, beautiful soul. Angels whisper that some loves require total surrender to divine timing. Your heart knows the truth your mind can't understand. This connection runs deeper than human comprehension, deeper than earthly control. What belongs to you will find you. What's meant to be cannot be forced or stopped. If he's your person, no amount of running will change that truth. If he's not, no amount of chasing will create what doesn't exist. Either way, you're held by a love larger than your understanding. Trust the process even when it looks like chaos. Trust the love even when it feels impossible. Trust your worth even when he can't see it clearly. Your value doesn't fluctuate with his recognition. Your light doesn't dim when he looks away. The angels remind you, real love never dies. It may transform. It may wait. It may work underground like seeds in winter soil. But authentic soul connection transcends time, space, and human limitation. What's real between you will survive everything. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love him. Even this uncertainty serves your highest good. Even this waiting prepares you for blessings beyond imagination. Trust the love. Trust the timing. Trust the one who writes every love story with infinite wisdom.